Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss all the answers of the first year PG English question bank of paper 3 2021 under Netaji Subhash Open University in West Bengal. So let's start. Question number 1. What is the name of the son of Corvaccio who rescues Celia from Volpone? Answer is Bonario. Question number 2. Where is Volpone living? Answer is Venice, Italy. Question number 3. What does Volpone's name mean in Italian? Answer is the fox. Question number 4. Who is called in the place list of characters Volpone's parasite? Answer is Mosca. Question number 5. Who survives in the play Hamlet? Answer is Horatio. Question number 6. Where does the gravedigger scene appear? Answer is Hamlet. Question number 7. Where you would pluck out the heart of my mystery? Who said this to whom? Answer is Hamlet said this to Guildenstern. Question number 8. I give my life to the law of God above the law of man. What is the real source of the quotation? Answer is Eliot's murder in the cathedral. Question number 9. In which year the play Murder in the Cathedral was first performed? Answer is 1935. Question number 10. Who was the King of England in Becket's time as referred to Murder in the Cathedral? Answer is Henry II. Question number 11. What is the central theme of the play Murder in the Cathedral? Answer is martyrdom and sacrifice. Question number 12. Who are the chorus in the play Murder in the Cathedral? Answer is ordinary women in the Canterbury. Question number 13. Who has called Sheridan the Bureau Martius of the English stage? Answer is Edmund Gosse. Question number 14. Who is a lady of a very singular taste in the play Rivals? Answer is Lydia Languis. Question number 15. Who calls Mr. Malaprop as the very queen of the dictionary? Answer is Sir Lucius. Question number 16. What is Bath known for in the Rivals? Answer is background or setting of the play. Question number 17. What is the meaning of the word Malaprop? Answer is wrong use of words or inappropriate use of words. Question number 18. Who is Godot in the play Waiting for Godot? Actually, who is Godot? It is unknown to us. Question number 19. Nothing happens, nobody comes, nobody goes. It is awful. Who says this? Answer is Estragon. Question number 20. Who has happened to Pozzo when he and Lucky return on the second act of the play? Answer is Pozzo was blind. Question number 21. What is the subject of the play Waiting for Godot? Answer is futility of human existence or purposelessness of life. Question number 22. What is Vladimir's nickname? Answer is Didi. Question number 23. What type of play is Look Back in Anger? Answer is it is a revolutionary play or kitchen sink drama. Question number 24. How old is Jimmy Potter in the play? Answer is 25 years old. Question number 25. Which has used by Jimmy as to assert a masculinity and assurance? Answer is smoking. Question number 26. Who is the king of Naples in the play The Tempest? Answer is Alonso. Question number 27. Who is a pricked wheel as described by Prospero? Answer is Psychorus. Question number 28. Who is the villain of the tragedy Hamlet? Answer is Claudius. Question number 29. What is setting place of the play Hamlet? Answer is it is Denmark. Question number 30. When did the play within play scene take place in the play Hamlet? Actual answer is Act 3, Scene 2. Question number 31. Who is Corbaccio's son? Answer is Bonario. Question number 32. Who attempted to rape Celia? Answer is Volpone. Question number 33. What is Valtur by profession? Answer is lawyer. Who sent Rosencrantz and Guildenstern to act as spies on Hamlet? Answer is Claudius. Question number 35. How did Claudius murder King Hamlet? Answer is Claudius poured poison in Hamlet's ear and treacherously slain. Question number 36. How does Laertes die? Answer is Hamlet owns Laertes with the poisoned sword. Question number 37. Who poses a military threat to King Claudius at the play's beginning? Answer is young Fortinbras of Norway. Question number 38. Who aided Antonio to dispossess Prospero of his dukedom? Answer is Alonso, King of Naples. Question number 39. Whom did Caliban wish to kill? Answer is Prospero. Question number 40. What does Prospero stage in order to celebrate the betrothal of Mirinda and Ferdinand? Stage a masque or peasant? Question number 41. Who attempted to ravish Mirinda? Answer is Caliban. Question number 42. Who is referred to as a lady of a very singular taste? Answer is Lydia. Question number 43. Who calls Mrs. Malaprop the very queen of the dictionary? Answer is Sir Lucius. Question number 44. Who is Fag? Answer is Captain Absolute's valet. Question number 45. Who said the following lines? All women becomes their mothers. It is their tragedy. No man does. That is his. Answer is Algernon. Question number 46. Through whose past are the secret of Jack's birth and parentage revealed? Answer is Miss Prism. Question number 47. Jack makes up a story about his brother Ernest dying. Where is the story based? Answer is Paris. Who is Violet? Answer is Octavia's sister. Question number 49. Whom does Anne address as Granny? Answer is Ramsden. Question number 50. Who is Anne in love with? Answer is Tanner. Question number 51. To which country does the chorus in Murder in the Cathedral urge Thomas Archbishop to set sail? Answer is France. Question number 52. Who calls himself a rugged, straightforward Englishman? Answer is the third tempter. Question number 53. Whose life is referred to as living and partly living? Answer is the chorus. Question number 54. Which characters represents Thing's speech in Waiting for Godot? Answer is Lucky. Question number 55. Pojo says, I have lost my cup and Peterson. What is cup and Peterson? Answer is pipe and tobacco. Question number 56. What is Connemara? Answer is a district in Western Ireland. Question number 57. What does the phrase Memoria Praetorium Bonorum mean? Answer is the past is always remembered well. Question number 58. Who is Nigel in Look Back in Anger? Answer is Alison Potter's brother, a politician. Question number 59. Who is Cliff Lewis? Answer is Jimmy and Alison Potter's common friend. Question number 60. What are the bear and the squirrel? Answer is it is actually a game show. The bear and squirrel represent Jimmy and Alison respectively. Thank you very much for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.